Surface area and volume of spheres, section 12.6.
Cheyenne, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. Let's go outside.
And do what?
Well, I don't know. Let's go see what's out in my garage.
Okay, let's go.
Which one do you want to play?
Go.
Well, I kind of gotta tell you something.
What?
Well, I have a condition where I can only play with a certain amount of surface area and volume on a sphere.
Well, let's figure them out.
Let's get down to business.
To find the surface area of a sphere, the equation is 4 pi r squared.
To find the surface area of a volleyball, we need to know the radius. The radius is 4 inches. To find the surface area, we use the equation of 4 pi r squared. In this case, r is 4. And when you plug it all in, it equals 201.06 inches squared.
To find the surface area of a tennis ball, you have to know the radius. The radius is 1.35 inches. The equation for this is 4 pi r squared. And for r in this instance, you would use 1.35, which would end up equaling, for the surface area, 22.90 inches squared.
In order to find the surface area, we need to know the radius of this basketball. The radius is 4.54 inches. The equation to find this surface area is 4 pi 4.5 r squared. The surface area is going to equal 259.01 inches squared.
For the surface area of a soccer ball, you have to know the radius, which is 4.45 inches. The equation for this is 4 pi r squared, which you would put 4.45 for r. Then the surface area for the ball would end up equaling 248.85 inches squared. To find the volume of a sphere, the equation is 4/3 pi r cubed.
To find the volume of a volleyball, you also need to know the radius. The radius is 4. The equation for the volume is 4/3 pi 4 cubed. 4 would be the radius. And the volume would total up being 391.97 inches cubed.
To find the volume of a tennis ball, you need the radius, which is 1.35 inches. The equation is 4/3 pi times 1.35 cubed, which ends up with the volume of 10.31 inches cubed.
The volume of a basketball, you also need to know the radius. The radius for the basketball, again, is 4.54 inches. The equation is 4/3 pi times 4.54 cubed. And that totals up being 391.97 cubed.
To find the volume of the soccer ball, you have to know the radius, which is 4.45 inches. The equation is 4/3 pi r cubed, and for r you put in the radius, which is 4.45. The volume of a soccer ball will end up being 369.12 inches cubed. So which one worked out with your disease, Anna? Go.